Okay, I'm just gonna do a very quick video now showing you how to replace a front drop link on a Tesla Model X. This one is already off because I've taken it off already because I identified it was a problem and I've ordered a new part, so I can do that now. With a broken drop link, you normally get like a knock over bumps. Yeah, it's normally a knock because that's all you get. So I've identified that's the problem with this one, so we're going to replace that now. So yeah, there's no drop link on this, but I'll show you what you do when I get into there and then we'll go from there. You can see I've already taken the drop link out of this. So there's a 15mm bolt up here. It comes down and a 15mm bolt goes onto the back of this. So we'll quickly fit in our replacement part. It's a Febi Bilstein drop link. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace both, even though only this side's knocking, just so that they're both new. Yeah, so all you've got to do is remove the bolts, remove these plastic collars, they're not meant to be on there. When you fit them to the car, they're there to protect the boots. When your new parts arrive, just inspect them, make sure the boots all look good. Yeah, these ones look okay. So slide that bottom one into there. Use one of your 15mm nuts. Don't drop it. Got your 15mm nuts on there, like so. Then push down on the drop link. Push through the top. And you want a 5mm Allen bit. Stick that in there. Okay. So that's it, that's the process of changing a front drop link on Tesla Model X. As you can see, super quick, super easy. Hopefully it helps you out. If it does, drop a comment down below.